So, no contact? So, there's energy of someone that you are no longer in contact with, or maybe you may have cut contact with someone from with this no contact card. I'm also showing in the present energy you guys receiving a whole lot of offers, possibly love offers. I'm seeing there's an energy of you guys obtaining or receiving some sort of roses or flowers or something like that. And I'm seeing it's growing into quite a chemistry amongst you and someone else, or will be. I'm seeing there is chemistry between the two of you. With you and someone. Whoever this individual is someone that's not even showing their face. Maybe you might keep this person on a hush hush or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing energy, you guys making plans maybe you guys been taking trips or spending time, going out to eat and things like that. But I'm definitely seeing things being placed on the calendar in reference to whoever this person is. So even though you have offers or receiving offers, there is someone in particular that you like. Let's go ahead and take a look a little bit further. Clarify this no contact energy, please, Spirit. No contact. What's happening with the no contact? Clarifying this no contact is number 38. I'm seeing like there was a lot of frustration with whoever this person is. It seems like, I don't know, with whoever this person is, maybe you felt like you were taking some sort of risk. Maybe you may have been experiencing a lot of downfalls and things not working out in your favor with this person being in your energy or something like that. That's what I'm showing here. It's almost like an energy of like you've been experiencing some sort of bad luck. Let me grab one more for no contact. Yeah, because your energy comes off like very peaceful. Morale. I heard merited. Number 64 could be significant. Whoever you are, you may possibly pray a lot. I don't know. Maybe you go to church or something like that. This could be an energy of someone going before an altar, your ancestors or something like that. Very spiritual, if not religious. Clarify these offers. Clarify offers. What happened with offers? One more for offers. Okay. So, with this offers energy, I'm seeing you spending a lot of time to yourself. This almost feels like Nine of Pentacles energy to me with this gain. It seems like there's an energy of prosperity and abundance with you in your own solitary energy. There's an energy of cultivation, you gaining some sort of profit. Again, there's an energy of gain. And maybe with whoever this person you were dealing with in the past, you may have been experiencing a lot of sickness, a lot of colds and things like that. At the bottom of the deck, I see there's an energy of travel here. If there's energy of you possibly embarking on some sort of path, on some sort of journey or adventure of your own. Again, this is energy of you like by yourself. In the physical, I'm seeing which as you being by yourself, but in the spirit, definitely you have your ancestors with you. But I'm definitely seeing you on some sort of exploration or some sort of adventure on some sort of path. You may possibly be on your journey regarding family, wanting a family. I don't know, divine family, spiritual family. Clarify this chemistry. So with these offers or you dating, it's definitely for a purpose. Clarify this chemistry, energy. So you definitely have chemistry or will be building. There is some sort of chemistry between you and someone else. And I feel like there's an energy of self-sabotage here, you guys. First thing I see in clarifying this chemistry, I see an energy of triumphing success with this chemistry. With, like I stated before, there's someone in particular that you like. Number 19 could be significant, and I'm seeing an energy of victory here. I'm seeing an energy of success, you triumphing, but I feel like someone might be in this energy of self-sabotage. Number 56 could be significant. There's an energy you possibly feeling restricted. This could be like mentally, something going on mentally, is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing a child here too with this sweetheart. If you take a look at the sonogram, I'm seeing like there is possibly even an energy of you having a child. But this energy is definitely coming off as pure, unconditional love. Mm. All right, let's go ahead and keep going. Oh, And I am Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonates, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly, okay? Don't hold on to it. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. All right, let's see. What's going on with this no contact energy? No contact. So, air sign. Heck, an earth. Strong Taurus energy might be definitely significant here. I don't know. King of Pentacles energy may definitely be significant. I'm seeing energy of somebody going into solitude with this Hermit energy. I don't know if there's energy of I'm seeing energy of self-reflect. Gaining some sort of spiritual enlightenment, especially in regards to what they want to do physically, regarding a new beginning, regarding possibly finding a new passion. That's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, wanting some sort of new beginning, not obtaining or receiving, what you actually want. And it's something, this is the energy of someone not, what is the energy? It's like if someone is not settling. That's what I feel like. Choosing not to settle. Clarify these offers. Clarifying these offers, I'm definitely seeing a romantic proposal here. With this Knight of Cups energy, I'm seeing you receiving some sort of offer from an ideal masculine or feminine energy. This energy is coming off as an Emperor energy. Divine masculine. Or possibly even like a father figure, older masculine, place, whatever way it needs to be. Some sort of authoritative figure. Coming to extend some sort of offer of romance. I'm seeing that there's a high priestess, so it may be that there could be an offer being extended to a high priestess, or this emperor could be a high priest. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of them wanting to collaborate, come together, work together in some form of fashion. Okay, there's an energy of strength in the connection or bond that you two have. Look, them extending some sort of offer, them wanting to get to know you with this Page of Cups. What's going on with the chemistry? Clarifying this chemistry energy, I am definitely seeing the Seven of Swords. It looks like there's an energy of deceit. Oh man, what's going on with this chemistry energy? What's going on with this chemistry energy? Like I said, I'm seeing there's an energy of Seven of Swords. I'm seeing deceit, trickery, cheating, risky behavior. I feel like this might be something that someone may be feeling like they could be giving their all to someone and they don't want to be deceived. They don't want to be cheated. They don't want to be lied to. They don't want to be deceived. Because I'm definitely seeing this is coming out as a star. This is a connection that's coming out in a star. This is some sort of wish fulfillment, and I'm seeing a closing of a cycle that you may have previously been experiencing or going through. That's what I'm seeing here. Let's get one more. For a closing message, please, Spirit, regarding this situation. I'm seeing resonance. It's going to be a closing message. You attract what you vibrate. Your energy is aligning with your desires. Elevate your vibration. Engage in high frequency activities like joy, love, and gratitude. That's what I'm saying.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.